Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial on Docker Essential Training. Today we are going to discuss about how to install Docker engine on CentOS 8 or Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Okay, let's first check here you see in the slide the Docker architecture and its component. Let's first we go through what is Docker. Docker is an open platform for developing, shipping, and running applications. Docker enables you to separate your application from your infrastructure so you can deliver software quickly. With Docker, you can manage your infrastructure in the same way as you manage your applications. By taking advantage of Docker methodologies for shipping, testing, and deploying code quickly, you can significantly reduce the delay between writing code and running it in production. The Docker platform provides the ability to package and run an application in a loosely isolated environment called a container. The isolation and security allow you to run many containers simultaneously on a given host. Containers are lightweight because they don't need the extra load of the hypervisor or ESXi that you are going to run, but run directly within the host machine kernel. This means you can run more containers on a given hardware combination than if you are using virtual machines. You can even run Docker containers within host machines that are actually virtual machines. Docker provides tooling and a platform to manage the life cycle of your container, develop your application and its supporting component using container. The container becomes the unit for distributing and testing your applications. When you are ready, deploy your applications into production environment as a container or an orchestrated service like Ensemble. And this works the same whether your production environment is a local data center or a cloud provider or a hybrid of those two between them. In this figure you're seeing the Docker architecture in its component. In middle here you see the server Docker daemon, which interfaces with REST API, and then it interacts with the Docker client, which manages the container and images, and also manages the network and data volume as a storage. You can find more details in Docker documentation website. I hope you will go through. Let's jump into the installation part. How to install Docker engine on a CentOS 8 or Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Let's open our CentOS. Here's my machine. Open terminal. Okay, Open browser. From here search for docker install CentOS 8. Open this link from docs.docker.com. Okay. Here you see this requirements is CentOS 7 or 8. The file storage driver is overlaid to. Okay. Uninstall if you have already installed the Docker engine. Let's jump into this line. Suppose we have already our repository is set up properly. Copy this command and run this on terminal. Let's see what happens. Okay, it has been installed successfully. Upgraded the DNF services, librepo, yum, python. Okay, let's add this repository. Press enter. Docker repository has been added by this command. We are going to enable the 90 repository by this command. Okay. To enable the test channels by following this command, docker containerization test. Okay, successfully executed. By this command, disable docker 90. Okay, let's jump into the installation part of Docker Community Edition, CLI, and containerizing.io. Copy this command to install Docker CLI, and container. Paste this on, run. It will take some time. Here you see by this command we are going to install container d docker c CLI, and it will also install the dependencies, fuse3 especially. Press enter. It will take a while. Stay with us. The installation time may vary with your internet connection and download speed. Accept this one by pressing Y. Press enter. Here you see the fingerprint of GPG key. The package is now installing. We're almost finished. Okay, installation is done. Let's check. To install a specific version of Docker engine, let's find out the list of Docker version installed. Okay, we have found several. There are test. Let's install a specific version by fully qualified package name. The package name is this one, and this is the version name. We are going to install this one. Let's copy this command. Copy the version number here. And change this by deleting version string and paste the version number. Do the same here. Okay, we're going to install this Docker community edition and this Docker CLI version and containerization. Let's press enter. The version is already installed. I'm able to find my Docker CLI. Docker CE. Okay, those are already installed. Let's start the Docker daemon by this command. Check the status. Okay, it's running. Control C. Verify that Docker engine is installed correctly by running the hello world image. Copy this command and run here. The container is not found here, and this image is being downloaded from the cloud and shows the hello world hello from docker. Okay, that's all. So we have learned how to install the Docker image in CentOS 8, and we have also installed the container hello world. I hope you learned how to install and work with container and container daemon. See you next tutorial. Bye.